Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to rotate an image on your Mac. I'm going to show you two simple ways to do this. First, we'll use Quick View. To begin, select the image you want to rotate. Once selected, press the spacebar. This will open the Quick View. Now, look for the rotate icon in the top right-hand corner. It looks like this, Show Rotate Icon graphic. Simply press it. Each press rotates your image counterclockwise by 90 degrees. Keep pressing until you are happy with the image orientation. Once you're satisfied, just press the spacebar again. This saves the image in its new orientation. So next time you open it, as you can see, it's successfully rotated. Alright, let's move on to the second method, using the Preview app. To do this, first open the image. It should automatically open in Preview. If not, right-click the image, hover over Open With, and select Preview. Now that the image is open in Preview, the process is very similar. Find the rotate icon and select it. Just like before, this will rotate the image counterclockwise by 90 degrees. Keep clicking the rotate button until you're happy with the result. Once you've got the image rotated the way you like it, simply exit out of the Preview app. The changes will automatically be saved. And as you can see, the next time you open the image, it will be successfully rotated. And that's it. Two simple ways to rotate images on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.